Well, for this update, what we're going to do is just have some of the very active people in peace and social justice. They've submitted summaries, so I'm just going to update you on the various activities that people have submitted. So Brenda reports that in the food partial assistance for Glenn Taylor School during lockdown, which of course much of you participated in, a total of $2,370 was donated by us, which meant many families in their local communities were helped. The principal of Glenn Taylor School in Clay put together a Sunday Zoom service on 9th of May, which was much enjoyed. Many of you, of course, attended by Zoom. When asked how we could help advocate for Glenn Taylor School, the principal suggested we could help ensure the promised upgrade to the school property actually occurs, support an increase in wages for teacher aides, and continue to press for an end to child poverty and a reduction in inequality. In September, as a Duffy sponsorship partner with Glenn Taylor School, we will be making the second and last payment for the year of approximately $1,600 to the Duffy Books and Homes organization. Throughout New Zealand, Duffy Books and Homes helps over 100,000 students, and since 1994 has supplied over 13 million books. Sally reports that over the past 6 months, her Dances of Universal Peace has held 3 online sing-along services on Zoom celebrating the Celtic seasonal festivals of the autumn equinox, Samhain and the winter solstice, Matariki here in New Zealand. She had people joining from the United States and Canada and all parts of New Zealand. Live Dances of Universal Peace services begin on Saturday night, 1st of August, at the season of Imbolc, marking the halfway point between winter solstice and spring equinox. Also, West Auckland dances resume in Henderson on Monday night, 10th August. Sally asks people to arrive by 7:20 p.m. to settle in before 7:30 p.m. Contact Sally for more information. Shireen has been busy in her human rights advocacy, sending 2 letters in June. The first was to the Secretary of Justice Hong Kong, protesting the arrest of 15 prominent pro-democracy leaders who organized an assembly to protest the imminent violation of the Sino-British Agreement. The charges failed to meet international human rights law and the standards on the right to peaceful protest. The second letter was to the Egyptian public prosecutor regarding human rights defender Patrick Zaki George, who has been detained and tortured. The letter asked that he be released from detention as he has been detained solely due to his human rights work and political opinions that he's expressed on social media. It also asked for an independent investigation into the allegations of torture and that he be guaranteed access to his lawyer and adequate health care, especially as he is vulnerable to COVID-19. Finally, I can report that both Tonga and Samoa continue to be free of COVID-19, with both countries maintaining strict border controls. In Samoa, our main news is the one primary school we have continued to work with since 2014 has developed an air-conditioned computer lab, and a volunteer parent runs the STEPS Dyslexia program. Also, a mission school wants to join the program, and our contact with their education ministry is looking to install STEPS and train teachers. Having the education ministry take responsibility for implementing STEPS was the plan back in 2014 when we began working with them, and it would be great if it came to fruition. In Tonga, our STEPS Dyslexia program on the main island of Tongatapu continues to be off to a good start. The primary schools, though, are in desperate need of laptops. Good quality, lower-end, refurbished laptops are currently hard to purchase for them, so we encourage any of you who have company contacts to see if they will supply laptops coming off lease. A permanent arrangement with a company such as that would be superb.